Hello, my name is William Utleg, and my project is on the Los Angeles Metro expansion. So here we'll go over a brief overview, the funding and budget, the infrastructure requirement, and the environmental impacts this project will have on its surrounding area. I have four critical questions to go over. How will the city fund and budget this expansion? What surrounding infrastructure needs improvement to support the process? What environmental and surrounding impacts will the project have? And how will we integrate this expansion with existing transit systems? So the overview, we'll explore the various expansion projects of the Los Angeles Metro line, projects that include the Purple Line extension and the Crenshaw LAX line. We'll be focusing on improving public transportation and reducing traffic congestion. So the first critical question will be addressing the budget. So Los Angeles received about 900 million in funding for infrastructure and metro rail system. This is a lot as the funding is aimed to enhance transportation accessibility and ease and comfort for the upcoming 2028 Olympics. President Biden also signed a law allocating for 709 million for the LA Metro projects. These include the East San Fernando Valley Light Rail Transit System and the D Line subway extension. $160 million in federal grants for street and transit infrastructure, traffic safety, and neighborhood connectivity. These initiatives encompass multimodal investments, pedestrian and bicycle infrastructure enhancement, and support for the Port of Los Angeles. Community planning grants for projects such as Hollywood Central Park for the funding package. The goals of all these budgeting and funding is to improve mobility and accessibility for events such as the Olympics and creating an infrastructure that could last years and maybe decades down the future. The second critical question addressing the infrastructure. By identifying the infrastructure that needs removal or improvement for the project support, discussing potential challenges and solutions for the infrastructure upgrades, knowing what to remove and what to improve is important for us as it gives us a direction to go in the project. Potential challenges for the upgrades to the infrastructure, the solutions, identifying what the infrastructure needs, such as replacing old hardware, the old network system, the limited storage, and the weak cybersecurity as we're going more into the technological age. The challenges and solutions we have will be addressing the budget, the compatibility, downtime, training, data migration, and cybersecurity. The third critical question will be addressing the impacts that this project will have. This is important as it addresses concerns and plans for minimizing the negative effects. Community displacement. So the expansion will require relocation of communities that will disrupt the society around the metro at first. That's why we must engage with the local communities early in the planning process. We must develop various settlement plans and prioritize the well-being and rights of the affected communities. There will be noise and visual pollution where the construction activities will take place, where we must schedule construction at non-peak hours to minimize noise disturbance until we're able to create sound walls or noise barriers. The fourth and final critical question I'll address is the integration. So the project must be able to integrate into the existing metro line, such as the D line subway extension. This is a very popular subway extension as it is one of the main ways to get around in the city. Collaborating with transportation agencies, the implement of smart technology solutions to transfer data from one network to another, to create user-friendly interfaces for the passengers as well as the conductors and the operators. The staff and operators must follow the standards and regulations that we create with the existing line, and through time we'll be able to monitor the performance of how the transportation lines connect with each other. So this is the project timeline of the LA Metro expansion. Start off with city funding, project delivery, funding through the Metro line, and then the memorandum to commemorate those that worked on the line. So this is the project proposal. You can see here that the D-Line subway extension project is running. Running through the main north side of the city. Here is the conclusion. The importance of the LA Metro expansion, emphasizing on the positive impacts that it has, the large funding that it received, and the importance of ease and accessibility for metro and transit lines. These are my resources. Thank you so much.